Now I'm going to look at 10.5 day 2, number 7. So we're going to subtract 4 divided by 3v minus 6v divided by 6v squared minus 12v. In order to do that, I am going to go to my Word document. And again, our starting point is to make sure we simplify each fraction. 4 divided by 3v can't be simplified, so I leave it. Minus. Now a common mistake again would be to cancel out the 6v right now. I am not allowed to do that because of the minus, but I can see that this has a common factor, greatest common factor of 6v on bottom. So I have 6v over 6v times v minus 2. That's what my second fraction factors as, and now because the 6v and the v minus 2 are broken apart by multiplication, now I'm allowed to cancel out the 6 and the v. So that's a very important distinction that a lot of students make mistakes on. So the first fraction is just 4 over 3v minus 1, because I canceled everything out on top, over v minus 2. Now if you didn't think to factor and cancel, you would have ended up with an answer that wasn't simplified. So when you got to the final answer, if you don't find the least common denominator, you're going to have to be able to try to figure out how to factor it and simplify it further to get to the exact correct answer. Now that both fractions are in most simplified form, I find my least common denominator. I take the whole first denominator, which is 3v, and then I look at my second fraction. V minus 2 is not already in my LCD, so I multiply that by v minus 2. Now I take each fraction separately. 4 over 3v currently has a denominator of 3v. It needs to have a denominator of 3v times v minus 2. It's missing the v minus 2, so I multiply the top and bottom by v minus 2. Minus 1 over v minus 2 is my second fraction. Compared to the least common denominator, the denominator has the v minus 2. It does not have the 3v, so I multiply the top and bottom by 3v. Once I have same denominators in both, even though they're different orders, I can put them all together as one fraction. So it's all over 3v times v minus 2. Simplify my top, I get 4v minus 8 minus 1 times 3v is 3v. I don't need parentheses here because there's only one piece after the subtraction. And now I'm going to combine like terms. I have 4v minus 3v, so I have 1v minus 8 divided by 3v times v minus 2. So that would be my final, most simplified answer.